Let's add a swipe to delete feature to our list here. So all we have to do that is go to the element inside our list, and we're just going to add a new modifier. So it's going to be dot swipe actions, and you can just hit enter again. And then inside swipe actions here, you're just going to type in button. And for now, let's just pick the one that takes a title key, hit enter. And for now, let's just type in delete here. And then let's just leave this part blank and let's remove that. And now when we go over to our preview and we drag it, you see we get that delete button, that swipe to delete button. So right now it doesn't do anything, so we can just drag it and nothing really happens. A quick way how to make it that it actually deletes it is that we can add another parameter to our button. So what we're going to do is right here, we're just going to go here and type in role, and then we're going to type in destructive. And when we drag this, you're going to see that now we get a red button automatically. And now if we drag it all the way, you'll see it automatically deletes that elements. So that's how you can basically add like a basic swipe to delete feature to your list. One reason though I don't really like this is because the deletion is really being handled by this role portion here. What I'd want to do is delete it myself. So how we can do that is we can get the index. So let's start by saying if let index, right? And then we're going to say learnings. And then we're going to say index. And we'll just get the first index off. And then we're going to pass in whatever we're on, that whatever we want to delete. So we'll pass in learning in here. And then we'll hit that. And now what we want to do is basically go inside our learnings and then delete whatever element is at this specified index. So let's do learnings, that remove at, and then in here we'd put the index. Now this is going to give us a quick error and I'll explain why. So if you type in index here, you'll see that it gives us an error saying that basically learnings is immutable. So the reason for that is because we're using the learnings variable here inside a struct. And whenever we just use a variable like this, it's immutable. So how we can make this mutable or make it that we can change it, immutable just means it can't be changed. If we want to make it that we can change it, all we have to do is mark this with a @state property wrapper. And then when we scroll down here, we'll see that the error is gone. And now if we drag this, you'll see it deletes. Another thing too, we could also remove the role to make sure that that's not what's causing it. And we could just drag again to delete, and you see it deletes.